I'm in the medieval village of Mesta on the south side of Chios, an island in the northeastern Aegean, exploring the incredible cornucopia of flavors that this island has to offer. I'll learn how to roll macaronia spartu, handmade pasta, and harvest exotic mastiha. In the kitchen, I'll make a tangy black-eyed pea salad with mastiha vinaigrette. The addition of that mastiha adds this really unusual flavor to it. An aromatic chicken braised with quince. They do look rather like potatoes, but they're a lot more flavorful. Join me on my Greek table for a feast for all the senses.